Keys on the keyboard. A keyboard consists of 101 to 104 keys. These keys are divided into three categories. 1. Alphabet keys, capital A to Z or small a to Z. 2. Number keys, 1, 2, 3 till 9 and 0. 3. Special keys, enter key, space bar, backspace key, etc. Number keys, backspace key, space bar key, alphabet keys, enter keys. Alphabet keys. The keys on which A to Z letters are written are called alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. They are used to type words and sentences. The alphabet keys are used to type both capital and small letters. Number keys. Number keys are marked with the digits 1, 2 till 9 and 0 on them. These are 10 in numbers. Number keys help you to type numbers. There are two sets of these keys on a keyboard. Special keys. There are some keys that have a special role. Let us discuss some of them. Spacebar key. Spacebar is the longest key at the bottom of the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between two letters, numbers, symbols, and words. Enter key. We use the enter key to move to the next line. The enter key is also called the return key. There are two enter keys on a keyboard. Backspace key. We use the backspace key to erase what we have typed. Arrow keys. We use the arrow keys to move the cursor up, down, left, and right. These keys are also known as the cursor control keys.